Hi, I have this PowerMac G5 and it has the original display uh, which has the terrible Apple connector, and I had a problem with booting, or actually the machine booted just fine, but I didn't have any image on the screen, and I didn't know what was the problem because the machine worked all the time before, and then I remembered that I just took out the not working battery, and I thought maybe if I will put the battery inside again, or new one, then the machine will start working, and actually that was what was the problem. So now uh, just you can see the power is unplugged, so I'm plugging it now. And I will plug in the mouse and let's boot it up. And the screen is on. And another strange thing about the problem was that this screen didn't work, but when I plugged in another display in the TVI port, then suddenly the machine worked perfectly and there was no problem to see. And only when I unplugged the second display and started the PowerMac, then suddenly didn't work. So that was very confusing, and it was with the battery. And there is one thing I want to say about the battery, because it seems very easy, you just put the battery back there. But there is no marking which is the positive and negative side on the place on the battery holder. So probably now you should see on the screen uh, how the battery is correctly placed in. So this is how you repair this problem. And just about the Mac, it has dual Power PC G5 processor of 2 GHz, 4.5 gigabytes of RAM. And I just want to rant a bit about the display. It broke the lag, and it's like always with the Apple displays. I don't know, maybe in the 90s they made some quality displays, but if I remember correctly, the CRTs with the G3 versions, they were bad. These are also bad because of uh, this lag. Then the aluminium ones, they had some problems with the cables, and also they had the power source out of the display. Then maybe the Thunderbolt displays and the black unibody or cinema displays were fine, and now Apple makes again horrible displays in terms of design, and that you can't unplug the cable from the behind. Hopefully maybe in the next 20 years they will figure out how to create a normal working display which has no stupid problems. So see you in the next video, or you will see me, hopefully.